have had 3 children who all have asthma, right? It didn't have to be that way, but I live in a neighborhood with really bad air quality. And I know hundreds of other children in my neighborhood who have asthma.
We are a major transportation hub, which means that there's a lot of diesel traffic and a lot of heavy-duty equipment for things like construction.
So because we're talking about heavy diesel trucks, we're specifically looking at particulate matter 2.5 and particulate matter 10, which is the smallest of particulate matters that get into your bloodstream and into your lungs. That particulate matter is impacting our community even harder.
Air quality is a great example of an urban problem that impacts everyone. Everyone breathes in and out every day. And we know technology has a really important role to play in understanding air quality and guiding solutions to improve public health and environmental quality.
So Microsoft is putting up a network of stationary monitors on bus shelters throughout the city.
Project Eclipse is a project from a research team called Urban Innovation. The various partners are the City of Chicago, and we're working with folks in the Department of Sustainability, the Department of Public Health, also community groups. We have an incredible partnership with the Environmental Law and Policy Center in Chicago, and we've been working with a number of environmental justice community groups there. JCDecaux, who is providing infrastructure in the city, and so it's really just an incredibly rich set of partners, each providing a different aspect of expertise.
So our device has been specifically designed to measure the air quality index, which is a global standardized way of measuring pollution. And so the way we do that is we measure 4 gases, which are ozone, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide, in addition to PM1, 2.5, and 10, humidity and temperature. So the unique thing about the Project Eclipse sensors is that they're designed to be as infrastructureless and easily deployable as possible.
We have a device that can report data for 24 hours that doesn't need to be hardwired into a utility pole or a telephone pole, that can go up on a bus shelter.
We have over 2,000 assets in the ground that cover the entire cityscape of Chicago. The gathering of this kind of granular level of data, our bus shelters are the perfect vehicle to do that.
We wanted it to be a partnership with people in neighborhoods. So we didn't just want them to tolerate our devices, but we wanted them to really embrace them.
This is huge because a lot of the work in the cities does not involve the community groups at all. And so Microsoft is taking a step back and really involving the community in this process.
With the Microsoft work, it was a way for people to see that something was being done about that. Like there was a space for this data to be collected. They were really interested in looking at the website and seeing, what does my air quality look like here? How does that compare to what it was like last year or other places in the city? So they could get a little bit more information.
The mobile experience is about engagement and action. So when someone scans a barcode at a bus stop, the first thing they see is an option to enter how they feel about the air quality, good, medium, bad. And then they see a map, and the map shows their local, right where they are, bus stop air quality, but also all other bus stops around the city of Chicago. And then there are a variety of options for them to learn more and to take action.
It's essential to be able to translate complex data sets and technologies in a way that's relatable and digestible for people. Because if that isn't happening, then the science can't communicate what it needs to communicate.
This is an opportunity for me as somebody who studies health equity to say, okay, what are the disparities in particulate matter exposure around the city? What is the planning research? What is the health research that is now possible?
Air pollution doesn't stop at the boundaries of our neighborhood. It goes all over the city. And so to be able to actually show all 77 neighborhoods, hopefully at some point, what is in their air, I think is a very powerful organizing tool that we're really excited to be able to expand on.